In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for personal use. Asana is a versatile tool often used by teams, but it can also be incredibly powerful for managing your personal tasks and goals. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Asana's homepage. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Now that you're logged in, let's explore how you can utilize Asana for your personal projects and life management. You might be wondering how a tool designed primarily for team collaboration can be beneficial for individual use. The key lies in creating projects that directly align with your personal goals, hobbies, or activities. For instance, consider setting up a project to manage a fitness routine or organize a hobby such as photography. This way, Asana becomes a dedicated space to track and manage the activities that matter to you. Let's take a practical example. Imagine you're planning a vacation. Asana can transform into your ultimate trip planner. You can create a project to manage all the trip details, compile to-do lists that need attention before you travel, and track activities during your vacation. It's like having a personal assistant making sure you don't overlook any important details. Another fantastic use of Asana is for tracking habits. Whether it's reading daily, meditating, or decluttering your space, you can set up individual projects to ensure consistency. Regularly checking off these tasks as you complete them can provide the motivation needed to maintain these habits over time. Time management is crucial, and Asana truly excels at helping you stay organized. You can organize your daily, weekly, and even monthly tasks by setting up different sections or separate projects. Take advantage of Asana's flexibility to prioritize what is urgent versus what can wait, giving you a clearer overview of your schedule and responsibilities. Setting personal goals is yet another area where Asana shines. Whether you're aiming for career advancement, health improvements, or learning new skills, define these goals within Asana and track your progress step by step. You can use milestones to mark significant achievements and maintain momentum towards your objectives. As you become more comfortable with Asana, I encourage you to explore adding details like deadlines, notes, and useful links. The more comprehensive your setup, the more you'll get out of Asana. Personalize it to match your style and needs. Before you know it, managing your life with Asana